love surrounds me every day, a gentle light that guides my way. When I'm lost and feeling low, your grace is all I need to know. Everlasting love, so true, forever I will worship you. Through the storms and through the calm, you hold me safe within your arms. No matter where my footsteps lead, your mercy follows every need. In your presence I find peace, a love that never will cease.